In this video, I will show you how to mute sites on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what we're going to do is, as you can see, we're here on Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do is just open up YouTube. And as you can see, the website is currently playing a video with some music. So you can see at the top, there's a little sound icon, this little speak icon. So what I'm going to do is just play this again, or let's just go ahead and actually play an actual video. So let's just find something to play. Okay, so let's go ahead and just play this one. Now, when we play this, as you can see, of course, at the top, we've got the speaker icon, which means there's sound coming from this particular website. Of course, this can be quite frustrating when you're trying to do other things and you've got music playing from another website, whether that's ads or something like that. Now, if you want to actually mute the site, just the site in general and not the whole sound on your PC, what you want to do is come up to the tab which is playing music. In our case, that's going to be this YouTube one. Right click onto the tab, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to mute site. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and as you can see, a line's going to go through the speaker, which means that that site is now muted. If at any point you want to unmute the site, the process is the same. All you need to do is right click onto the tab, come down and click onto unmute site. And as you can see, we've now got a speaker without a line, which means that sound is now playing from that website. So that is how to mute sites on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.